Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says, in a triangle, if the ratio of sine A upon sine C, sine A and C, ABC are the angle of a triangle. So if ratio of sine A is to sine C is equal to sine A minus B is to sine B minus C, then we are supposed to find the relation between A square, B square and C square. This A, B, C are the length of the side of a triangle, and we are supposed to find whether they are in AP, GP, HP or anything else. In solving this kind of question, so we have a key concept to use the sine rule. So key concept in solving this kind of question is use the sine rule. And there is a one more formula that we have to use here, which is state sine A plus B into sine A minus B, that will result into sine square A minus sine square B. So sine A plus B, sine A minus B is equal to sine square A minus sine square B. So A and B will get changed like identities. So if it is B plus C or B minus C, so that will be sine square B minus sine square C. In triangle A BC, like this is a triangle, like take an example, this is a triangle, and the side opposite to the angle A is given as small a, side opposite to the angle B is given as small b here, and the side opposite to the angle C is given as small c. Okay, so here we have, like it is given to us sine A upon sine C is equal to sine A minus B upon sine B minus C. As we know, in a triangle, any triangle, sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree, and if we use sine on both sides, so we can simply write like sine A plus B and bring the C to the other side, so that will be sine 180 minus C. So sine A plus B is equal to sine 180 minus C, and that will be sine C. So sine A plus B will be equal to sine C, and similarly we can have the other angles, and here sine A is given to us, so similarly sine A will be equal to sine B plus C. So we can substitute the value of sine A is equal to sine B plus C in equation 1, so that will gives us sine B plus C, and in the denominator sine C can be replaced by sine A plus B, and that will be equal to sine A minus B. In the denominator we will have sine B minus C. Now if we cross multiply these two, so what we get is sine B plus C into sine B minus C, and that will be equal to sine A minus B into sine A plus B. So what we can do from here is, like we can have this formula sine A plus B into sine A minus B is equal to sine square A minus sine square B. So we can use that sine B plus C, sine B minus C, so that can be written in this form, sine square B minus sine square C, and on the right hand side we'll have sine square A minus sine square B. So by the sine rule, as we know, A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C, and that is equal to 1 upon 2r, which can be assumed to be a constant here. ठीक है, so इसमें हम sin A की वैल्यू रख सकते हैं, like sin A is equal to A by K, or we can have it like it can be written as sin square A is equal to A square by K square. So like that we can write it down, and in this way what we can have is, तो ये हमारा आया, देखो यहाँ पर हमारा यहाँ पर आया sin square B माइनस sin square C, और इस तरफ है sin square A माइनस sin square B. तो अगर इसमें हम यहाँ से रख दें A by sin A, that is equal to K, so A की वैल्यू अगर रख दें हम, A is equal to, like if you write down A is equal to k sin a, और sin a की जगह अगर हम यहाँ पर a by k रख दें, so if we square it both sides, so a square is equal to k square sin square a. So what that will be, तो इसमें रिजल्ट देखो क्या आ जाएगा, so that will result into, so this will be अगर इसमें देखो रेशियो विल गेट कैंसल आउट फ्रॉम बोथ साइड, सो दैट विल बी बी स्क्वायर माइनस सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन, बी टू बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a square plus c square, and this is the property of a arithmetic progression. If the three sides are given here, so this is how we can represent the arithmetic progression. ये arithmetic progression की property है, ठीक है. So this is how we can represent it. The relation between a square, b square and c square is a EP, because b square minus c square is equal to a square minus b square. So relation between a square, b square, c square is they are in AP. So the first is the right answer, and I hope you understand it well. Best of luck. Thank you.